Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're going to go to the Puppetry Museum. So come on with me and see what we can see, because we're going to have a lot of fun in here, including Jim Henson Puppets. So come on along. Now, as you walk around the building, you will see a small play area for the little kiddies to blow off some steam. And you get to go up a nice big ramp to pay the fee. The museum is closed on Mondays, but it's open Tuesday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Saturdays, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., and Sunday from 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. Museum pricing: children under the age of 2 are free. Everyone else, $12.50 for the museum. Now you can do tours and there's other activities that you can do as well, but that costs a little extra. There's Orlando. Wonderful old collection of around the world. Oh my goodness. Stop motion puppetry. A Corpse Bride. Guess you guys recognize who that is. There's Gumby. This is fantastic. You also can have your own little puppet show going on here. Look at this place. Holy cow. This is a professional puppetry paradise. I love it. So the Japanese puppetry and how it's done. Some of the actual puppets. Oh my goodness. Now that's a puppet. Oh, neat shadow puppets. Nice. And the artistry in these things is incredible. Beautiful. A lot of people don't realize how much work goes into making puppets and the artistry that goes with it. These things are beautiful. The video just does not do it justice. Here's where you can be puppet masters. Okay. Now we're going to go over to the horror section. Okay, that's not exactly hard, but that looks pretty horrifying. That's supposed to be Carol Channing and Ms. Mae West. A lot of puppetries from the past. Whoa. That is a huge, huge puppet. talks about many of the first American puppet masters. Ooh, transitional mask. Nice. Of course, the Native American puppets and masks, including that transformation mask we just showed you. This is just one small section. Let's go see more. The best of modern puppetry, Jim Henson. There's Fozzie. I mean, not Fozzie. Woof. Woof the dog. Sorry about that. I got excited. Woof the dog. I like Woof too. Oh my goodness. I love the theming in here. Look at that. Oh my. These are actual pictures. Jim Henson, where a lot of the magic was made. This is Jim's office. Wow. A lot of homage that's paid to this man. Artist, puppeteer, a legend in a generation. Wow. Oh my goodness. The workshop exhibit. This is great. I remember a lot of these puppets. Oh boy. Does this ever bring me back to my childhood? There's the controlling units. I remember Dog. I love Dog. Sesame Street. There's Bert and Ernie. Oh my goodness. Hello, Bert. Hello, Ernie. Oh boy. Look at this. Oscar the Grouch. There's Grover. There's Harry. And there's Hoots. Here's a recreation of the sets. And you can see how the sets were set very high so that the puppetry can be done. And of course, the cameras will be shot high. So this is real world. And this is what you see. There we go. This is what you see on camera. Magic. Movie magic. Nice. Do you remember Splurge? There's Splurge. Hello, Splurge. See if I can get the reflection off of Splurge. There he is. That is one big puppet. He's the one who was in Hey Cinderella, if you remember that. There's Dr. Teeth. Hello, Dr. Teeth. Here's little Robin. Hello, Robin. Miss Kitty. Never understood why they called her Miss Kitty, but oh my goodness. Here are the aliens. And I remember Fazoop. Hello, Fazoop. Oh my. And there's the puppet show. Oop. We're going about Miss Piggy. Hello, Miss Piggy. Muppet Treasure Island. I have to admit, I don't remember these characters, but I should. Because that's Clueless Morgan and Polly Lobster. Oh, I remember Pigs in Space. This is great. I'm trying not to show you everything, but everything's so exciting to me. Because I know all these characters from growing up. Except for the couple that were back there. I remember Sprocket. Oh my goodness, from Fraggle Rock. All the Fraggle Rock characters. Oh my gosh. Some more Fraggle Rock. Fraggle. Oh, there we go. Fraggle Rock. Ooh. I love this movie. Look, the Dark Crystal. And here's kind of behind the scenes. They show a little behind the scenes video. There's Ralph and Alf. I remember that scene. Ooh, there's the door knocker. Dog City. Oh, I didn't know he did the Crystal Burger Muppets. I remember seeing that commercial, and I knew they were puppets, but I didn't realize he did it. Of course he did. You gotta come here. This is fantastic. The only thing that I'm kind of upset about is I never got to see Big Bird. I don't know where he's at. Oh well, maybe next visit. Well, I hope you enjoyed this visit to the Puppet Museum in Atlanta, Georgia. So if you are ever in the area, come on in. I will tell you, it is a little hard to find the parking spot. So what you want to do is pull in front of the building area. There's like a little road right in front, a little alleyway. That's where you go down, and then to the left on that alleyway, way at the end, you'll see the parking. So we had a heck of a time finding the parking, but I am so glad we took the time. It brought back so many good memories of my childhood, and hopefully it will you too. So come on down to Atlanta, Georgia. So come on down to Atlanta, Georgia, and have some fun and bring back those family memories. So as always, have a great day.